So this is MySQL Server 5.0. Okay.
Okay.
A root is the password.
Okay.
Now, MySQL is a database. So database in the sense we need to create a memory.
Yes.
So how to allocate a memory for our tables? I need to create a database. So it's a huge memory in which you can create your own databases separately. Suppose I have one project which is regarding the hospital, doctor and patient. So I'll create a hospital database. In that, I'll have the tables related to those particular project requirement only. The same way, next, if I have a college and a student and a faculty interaction, so I'll create a college database. In that, the tables will be related to that particular situation or project itself. So for that reason, anyway, we need to have a separate database. So create a database. What is the database name? If it is a hospital, I'll
Hospital.
yes, hospital. Now, what I have to do is I have to create a table. So what is a table? You can say in this, if you want, you can check that show tables. No database selected means you have created the database, but you didn't select it. So how many databases are there? How to check it? Show databases. Okay. So these are the databases present in this software. Now I need to select the hospital. So what I will do, use hospital, because I created hospital database, right? Just now.
Mm.
Next, if you want to check the tables are there or not, show tables. So what happened here? There are no tables. We need to create the table, right?
Yes.
So how to create the table? Anyone say that?
For create.
Create.
For create table.
Yeah. What is the command?
Create table name.
Create table, then table name and column name.
See, I know the syntax actually. I learned long back. It has the syntax. I want a
Okay.
hospital or a, you can say doctor table, you can say, right?
Mhm.
So for a doctor, take some 4 to 5 columns, tell that properly, right? Command in the sense I'm asking the command. So
Okay.
it's not table name. Table name I know, but what is the table name? Doctor. Then what fields we have in the doctor? In that way, you need to say.
Okay.
ID. Doctor ID. And then the branch.
First, it's a doctor, right?
Yes.
Mm.
So ID. What is
ID.
Int.
Where
Where?
can
Where? Okay.
anything?
Sometimes it's int and sometimes character too.
Yeah, you decide, right? What you want. It's a int or
sometimes together
It's
it's
a
come.
size. Here is size like
size
10.
will be like we can keep 10 something.
10. Yeah.
yeah.
That's
So what happens? 10 digits it will support, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Then
Employee name,
Specialty.
doctor name.
Doctor name. D. Okay. Doctor name.
Write
Where?
properly entire name also. Okay. So you
Yeah.
can say doctor ID because it
Doctor.
will be helping you a lot in the projects. Everywhere in the projects, entire name will be given.
Mm.
Okay. Specialty.
Doctor especially
Specialty.
specialization. I mean,
What do you say? Doctor?
Doctor.
special.
Specialization.
Is it varchar or not?
It
Is
will
where,
be
where,
Yeah,
there.
okay. Yeah.
where is where? We can also only simple care too, because specialization is not too long.
No. We need to use that.
Where care?
Yes. Because if you use care, then whatever.
Only
Like
20 character.
Yeah, but that 20 it will consume
20
that much
size.
memory. But if you use varchar, then it will only take memory with like if you use
Doctor,
20 words from 40, then it
mobile
will
number
only take memory
or
of
phone
20,
number,
not
anything.
whole 40.
So
So
make a
you
more.
can write, you can
Only
write
must
mobile
need it, that
number
only
in
memory
the
is.
int of 10, we can say,
Int.
right?
Yeah.
We just created a table. How to check the table?
Describe. DECS.
Yes.
DECS. Yes. D is describe doctor.
Describe doctor. You can say DSC or describe also you can call directly.
Okay.
So now you can say show tables. We have that particular doctor table.
So field is showing all the columns, I think. Yeah.
Yeah.
Rows and column both.
Okay. So this is a details for the column, not like a table.
See, this is the table name. Show tables. Describe
Mhm.
doctor in the sense the columns will be described, right?
Okay.
And this key is regarding the constraints concept. This is like regarding the values, what value. So this is constraint concept, and this is what value like default.
Default.
So we'll see later in the sessions like how it works and all. But now we created a table, right?
Yes.
Describe doctor is there. I'll ask one by one command. You need to just tell me. Okay. So
Okay.
Deepika, alphabetic order I'll go. Deepika, first
Yes.
I have that int 10, right?
Yes.
I want to change it to 20. The size must be increased. Only the size. How to?
Alter and then update. Only alter table. Alter.
See first,
Alter doctor
what is doctor?
table.
You need to tell the table, right?
Oh, yeah. Oh, I will not write that name, doctor table.
Simple thing.
Yeah, sorry.
In this hospital, there might be a lot of tables, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
So which table you are specifying? Doctor.
Okay.
So alter, we are
Table.
specifying a table. The table is doctor.
Yeah, okay.
So these are known as DDL commands, right? What is DDL?
Definition language.
Definition language.
Definition.
Data definition
Data
language.
definition language.
Yeah, the meaning is we are defining something. We are only defining it.
Define column,
Yes, table and the columns.
table,
Yeah.
and the columns. Okay.
Only you're working on the table and the columns. Okay.
Okay.
Now,
Yes.
this alter table doctor, what I want to do.
Type change.
Update.
Mm,
Change.
Change 10. No.
Sir, we just want some like in 30, right? So it will be update
Table.
only. I mean modify.
Yeah, modify is there.
Yeah.
Modify, yeah.
Or modify integer 10.
Modify directly integer 10. Which integer?
But
Is it doctor,
type
doctor mobile?
doctor. Oh yeah, doctor.
See, simple thing, machine doesn't have brain, right?
True, sir. Mm.
So we have brain, so we need to clearly that
Yeah.
you need to modify the doctor ID and the size, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Modify doctor ID.
Can I
Modify
change
doctor.
this
Yes,
integer
sir.
to varchar now?
Uh-huh.
Next,
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah.
how to do it? Same thing or any other?
Right. Modify.
So what I'll do, I'll just say modify itself, and
Yeah.
here I'll just say
Varchar.
Varchar.
Yeah.
if I want to change again to integer, I can change that to integer.
Yes, sir.
So what's happening? I've changed it first integer to varchar, then varchar to integer, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Next, Nidhi,
Yes.
I want to change like
Okay.
doctor mobile to doctor phone name
Okay.
in the column.
So alert, doctor table, okay. Alert table for change, I think.
Change or what? Clearly, first from
So,
first.
so here is a mobile. You wanna change what?
Doctor mobile name
Mm-hmm.
to doctor phone.
Okay. Doctor mobile. So we can rename this. So by using alert table like that.
It's altered.
See, don't
Yeah, alter,
don't
and then
don't. I want proper answer. Then I'll start writing. First, you
okay.
like what
Yeah.
is that command? See, skill is very simple. Is it difficult?
No,
No.
but need
No.
practice.
No,
Yeah,
no,
memorize.
revision is required. This is the first
Change.
time you're seeing, and in the first time
Mhm.
only you can't remember, right? Revision is
Yeah.
required. So every time if you're working on the column, alter command is used.
Yeah.
Not
Then
working.
I say alter. Yeah.
Yeah. So alter. What is the next thing?
Table.
Table.
Update.
No, it's not update. It's a table. Doctor mobile.
Rename, right?
No. Doctor mobile.
Oh, okay, okay.
I think doctor mobile. Then change, and then what the change? Doctor phone. Like that. No.
No, not the table, doctor.
Doctor change.
Yeah,
Yeah, doctor. Keep
change.
Change.
on guessing. I'll write the correct answer when you guess it, right?
Okay.
Like
Yeah.
it's a guessing game.
Either.
See, that's the
No, sir, I was thinking of change or
And
modify,
no, you're
you
saying
know.
update. From the start, everyone is saying update, update. Where is
No,
update?
update means you have to existing table, you have to change. I was thinking of modify means I thought you need to change the doctor mobile totally and delete it. I was thinking very deep, drop it and then you add it like that.
Yeah, that is also an option, but no, that's a lengthy process, right?
Yeah, I was
yeah. Then here is a doctor mobile
See,
after change,
yeah, doctor mobile.
and we change doctor phone.
So in between any keyword, doctor mobile to doctor phone, or just doctor mobile space doctor phone.
Just write it, I think,
yes,
and
doctor
then
mobile.
size. Yeah, doctor mobile, because we already write here. Change doctor mobile, doctor phone, and int
No.
size 10. That's it.
So without the size, it won't change.
I think it's change because
No.
it's do won't change
We
because
can use rename also.
Rename also we can use. Have you tried?
Yes, sir. Rename we
Yeah,
can. Yeah.
yeah, we can use rename
Tell me
instead
about
of change.
like
Instead of change, not alter.
that's what doctor phone is
Directly
there, right?
name doctor.
See, that's what here I'm asking thing. I have doctor phone, right? Change it to doctor mobile now with the rename command. Who will tell?
Um, should I say
Yeah, tell.
alter table doctor? Rename. Um, 1 second.
Rename after that.
Rename doctor phone to doctor mobile.
later. Here, 2 is not required, I think.
Rename column. How will it will know that what it will be?
Rename column.
Column.
Hmm.
Okay.
But
What we need to do?
Column.
I might do the table change.
So that's the reason you work out on that things because this works
Name.
in the Oracle, not in the MySQL. In
Oh, is it?
MySQL, change will work.
Oh.
The
okay.
command you are saying is for Oracle actually.
Oh, I got
Okay.
confused.
Yeah.
Sir,
So
yesterday in that video you talked about rename, isn't it?
Rename also, sir. Yes.
That
Yeah.
I'm not exact remember, but you talk
Uh-huh.
about rename also. After modify.
yeah, that rename in the sense table rename.
Okay.
Okay.
Rename.
मतलब यहाँ it means instead of the table doctor, we will change something. In that case, sir?
Yes, like rename table doctor to what you can
Oh.
say.
Patient.
Something. Okay.
It got changed
So
to patient.
so basically here we can only rename like we can only remain with the field
Tables only.
sorry table name, right? Not with
Yeah.
the columns.
Yeah, for columns we have
Change.
change.
Yeah.
This two.
Next,
भैया दरवाजा बंद कर देना.
Priya,
Yes, sir.
I want to add two columns like doctor age and doctor address.
Mm.
See, the table name I have renamed again to doctor. So tell me how to.
Uh, we want to change doctor.
No, I want to change. I want to add 2 columns.
Okay. So,
Doctor
in
age
which?
and doctor address. I want to add 2 columns to
Okay.
this table I'm asking.
Okay. Alter table doctor. Add age. Int, like we can
Data
maximum
type.
2, 3, maximum 3, right? And add
Alter table doctor. This is common to all the alter commands, right?
yeah.
Yeah.
That
Yes.
everyone understood that whenever
Yes.
you use alter,
Yes.
table will be the keyword in doctor. Table will be the keyword which is available inside the DDL only. In DDL only we use it. DML we don't use it. Okay.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
Next,
Add table.
Add age,
add doctor
doctor age,
age.
Doctor age. Integer.
int 3, matlab int of 3.
Yeah.
10. It's okay. He did it.
Yeah, again add what
Okay.
field name we have to add? Doctor salary? No.
You're asking or you're telling?
Sir, add again y2, comma.
We can use comma actually.
Comma, right?
Yeah. Then what is that?
What was that? Doctor
Address.
address, doctor address, and where care 30 semicolon. Where?
Where care.
40 कर दो I think.
नहीं इससे क्या है?
हाँ नहीं.
Size doesn't matter because you have different sizes, right? It's saying, see
Okay.
something it's saying, right? You have an
Yeah.
error near the doctor address.
Yeah.
Okay.
The error is from here.
Add only.
Sir, we have to add, I think.
Add
Again add.
Add. Yes.
Comma should be there or not?
No.
No.
So it's
You have
showing
an
error
idea.
from add now.
Oh, no.
Then comma. I
Comma
think.
should be there.
Comma
Comma
should be
should
there.
be.
Comma,
Yes.
then add.
Hmm.
Again,
Oh,
it will
so
come.
this will both are
So 2 columns got added.
described.
So you understood, right? If the error comes, read the error properly, check
Yeah.
where the error is there, then
Yeah.
try to rectify it. See, any language, the same thing. In can say Spring Boot, anywhere the error will come, you need to find out the error first. Read the error, based on that, you need to do it.
Okay.
Okay.
Mhm.
Next thing, Priyanka, I want to drop these 2 columns like age and address. Just we have added, right? I don't want this age and address. I want to drop them.
Age and address. Delete.
No, no.
Delete table.
Alter, right?
Doctor.
Alter. Yes.
Alter
First.
first.
Alter.
Table doctor, then alter table doctor, and then drop drop.
Whom I asked, who is telling?
Oh,
Ask
sorry.
Priyanka, right?
Okay.
First, she will try. If she can't,
Okay. Sorry, sir. Sorry.
Priyanka.
Yeah, delete is for deleting entry. Yeah, alter tables.
Alter table.
Doctor. No, drop. It will be drop because we need to drop those two. Drop column. Doctor age, comma, doctor address. After comma, drop column again.
So here we got these two commands, right? So in the video, I've just told for one column. Now you have seen the difference for two columns, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So think in that way, whenever you're doing for multiple columns, how you can do it. Only for single column, if you do, we need to learn about the multiple columns also. So this is DML commands, right? Understood? Any doubts in these things?
Sir,
Sir,
one thing I
DDL
want.
or DML? DML?
DDL.
Yeah, it's
DDL.
DML. We'll see the DML now. Yeah, you're asking something?
Yes, sir. Sir, what I'm saying, you did all this alter with this fields, right? If we number this, for example, a doctor ID 1, then doctor name is 2, and all like that. So instead of writing, sorry, sir, doctor ID or something, can we represent it with the numbers?
No,
Means, no? Okay.
no, it's not possible that way because the
Okay.
columns you need to mention, like
Okay.
which columns you are referring to, and the columns can be referred only with the name.
Okay.
Mm.
Okay, sir.
Next,
Sir, we can only write here. There is no other option. In
no, real time we don't write like this. This is for basic. I'm saying in real time, what you do, there will be a text box. You fill the value in that. You'll get options. You'll select is it integer or varchar and all. The starting stage, how the command works and all, you should know. Okay.
Mm.
Learn the hard way first. When you do the workbench, use the workbench, then it will be easy for you. Next, so we have DML commands. DML means
Data manipulation language.
so data manipulating means if you see here in this doctor, we can see only the fields. Actually, in DML, we'll have commands like we'll have insert, update, delete, and select. So what is insert? Inserting a value, right?
Mm.
Now, Update means the existing value you're changing. Delete means the existing value you're deleting. Select means the existing value you're selecting. Means these three works only after insert. Once we insert, on that we can update, on that we can delete, on that only we can select. So select we can see first because just select star from doctor. It's select star from. Any columns are there? Any rows are there? No, right?
No.
Next. Insert into what I want to insert values. Which table I want to insert? Doctor. So in this doctor, I'm trying to insert. How many columns are there? 4 columns. How many values must be inserted? 4 values. So 1023. Some John. He is a dentist. And he has a phone number. Let's say so it got insert, right?
Yes, sir.
Next. Now, how to update?
Updated.
Update doctor. Uh, Set doctor name is equal to like we have to give some name.
We can select it, right? Select star from doctor.
Sir, we want to update, you said, right? So we have to use update command here.
Yeah. So before update, we have inserted only one record, right?
Yeah.
So what is seeing here? Only single record inserted for all columns. One row with all columns, you can say. What is the command? This is the command. But if I want single that one row with particular commands, because sometimes what happens here, the specialization is not decided yet. Specialization in the sense I want to insert, like say insert into doctor. See, whenever the insert command comes, into will be there, and there is no table keyword. For DML, table keyword will not come. Insert into doctor values, and in this value, suppose if I'm giving 1024, I'm giving Bob and some phone number. But I didn't give the specialization. What it's saying?
Column count doesn't match. Since we have 4 column and we have given only 3 column here.
Correct. So how to solve this problem?
We can put null.
Yeah, but I don't want to give that, right? Null will automatically it will automatically take. Default is right, it is null, right? If you don't get anything, if you don't give anything, it will take null. So what we can do here is we can specify insert into doctor the column names in which you want to give the value, like doctor name and doctor phone. So in that columns only the values will be inserted. Like say 1024, the doctor name will be there, and the phone number will be there. It got inserted, right? So understood how it is done?
Yes.
So, like, we want 5 row in this. So every time we have to do this insert into and fill those rows.
I didn't get your question. Come again. Every time
I mean, suppose we want some more fields here, like some more ID and doctor name, everything. So for that, every time we have to do insert into.
usually in Facebook, you will have registration page, right? In that registration page, the text box will be there. You will fill the details there. From there, the like servlets or the string take the values and insert in the database. Understood the difference? So you'll write the command only once in the code.
Everything.
Okay. No, sir, what I'm asking is like here we have given two doctor name, John and Bob.
Yeah.
We want some more name. So for that, again, we have to put insert into doctor and then no.
For that, you can give the comma and give the values, but that you won't be using in the real time. So that's the reason I'm not saying that. What the commands I'm saying, which are important in the, which are useful in the project for you. Okay. So next, here we'll write only this command in the code, and the values will be changing every time. This is up to the insert particular columns. Single row only the particular columns. Now next is update. So what I want to update, let's say I have a null value here, right? I want to update with the value. How to do that?
Update doctor.
Update.
Yes, update doctor, because we are updating the doctor table. In that, what we need to say, we need to set the specialization, right? So we use
Set
set key, right?
Set column name.
Yes.
Set.
See, every time insert into will be there,
Yeah.
and every
And
time update set
Set.
will be there.
Set.
yeah.
So here insert into will come first, update table name, then the set. You need to remember this.
Okay.
Then set, what is that?
Doctor
Doctor
special.
Order specialization.
specialization.
equal to something like orthoped.
Yes,
But Bob's.
you can say that ENT specialist is there, and it is for only for Bob, right? Not for
Yes.
John.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then what you have to do?
Okay.
Where doctor underscore ID equals to 1024.
Oh.
So where will come only if you want a particular thing.
Okay.
Here we use equal sign also.
Yeah.
Mm.
Equal.
equal sign is used here also. It's
Yeah.
compulsory. Yeah.
Without that, how it will check it that it is equal or not? Double equals is for programming. Here,
Okay.
just doctor ID is 1024. It's matching.
Just giving the
Assigning,
values here.
assigning value.
Then this is for only one particular column, right?
Hmm.
Yes.
Suppose I'm inserting on one more column, insert into doctor, that value is 1025, and in this I have some doctor name. So I'll say just dentist and some phone number. Okay.
Yes.
Now another value if you want 1026, some END and phone number. So how many values we got now?
Or
Total 4.
I'll add a column location. Okay, like alter table doctor, add doctor location, and just say varchar of 20. Right. So in this thing, if you check it out, the entire doctor location column is null, right?
yes, sir.
Yes. Sir.
Next,
So why above it is showing duplicate equal
four
to 0?
records. The four records are there
4 records.
here,
Oh, added. Okay. Okay.
and the four records duplicates is 0. There is no
Nothing.
duplicate value, right?
Oh, yeah.
Next, update a doctor, set a doctor location as some Pune. That's it. Where condition will not be used.
We have to put where.
Spelling, that's the reason, see the error, right? Did it say that put where to you? It said doctor
In
locate.
field list, it's written now in field list.
Yeah, that's the reason everyone will do the same.
Yeah. All null convert Pune.
Next, all are Pune now. Now, so what is the thing? If you want to give all the columns same value, where condition is not used. If you want to give a particular value, where condition is being used, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
So what you can say, particular column update. Then this command should
Where?
be kept where. And if I have entire column update, then what will happen? This particular command must be coming
Set. Update.
without where condition. Okay.
Yes.
Next. But if I want to do multiple columns, then what will happen? See, if I want only for 1024 and 1026, I want to change for 1024 and 1026 as Delhi. Okay. So,
Where?
yeah, where along with where another keyword will come, because update doctor.
Doctor ID, we have to mention 1024.
Yeah, location equals to Delhi.
Where?
Where
Doctor ID.
doctor underscore ID, we use in clause. In clause in the sense doctor ID in the brackets you'll mention what IDs you want to update. You can give 10, 20, depends on your requirement. So it has updated the two locations as Delhi, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
So this is what update command for multiple columns.
How about if we want one as Mumbai and one as Delhi in same?
One by one.
One
Where
by
doctor
one
ID
to
1024. Another one is doctor ID.
see one by one you can do, because doctor location is only one, right? In the
Yeah.
same thing you can't give twice. Now I want to delete, because multiple column also have done it. Three things will be there. Anytime you can see particular column you can update, entire column you can update, or multiple columns you can update. So not multiple, yeah, multiple columns itself. Okay. So here you can do one more thing also, like along with the location, if you want you can change the other things also, like for 1023 I want to change the location as Mumbai. And in the same way I want to update the phone number, you can say doctor underscore phone. What will happen? Out of range I have given. So update here, two columns and single row also, right?
Yes.
So not only one column, you can give multiple columns also. So it will be multiple rows update. It's not single row, it's multiple rows update. And here it's multiple column update. Got the difference?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Next. After after this, delete is required. What delete will do?
It will delete all the information of the table.
Delete the row.
All the
Delete the
information in the sense like select star from, what do you
Doc.
say, doctor. If I say delete from doctor, it will delete all the columns.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay,
All the records in the table.
it's a simple command, just delete from doctor,
Doctor.
entire table. So I'm not executing because I don't want to delete all the things, right?
Yeah.
Next, delete from doctor, where
Where
I can delete multiple also. What is it? Where,
The doctor ID is
doctor ID.
yeah, doctor ID equals to
1026.
1026.
1026. So it got deleted, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
So this is particular row deletion.
No deletion.
Next, multiple row deletion. What do you have to use in clause, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bracket.
So what we do here, instead of giving only equal to, you can give in
In
1023 1025.
Oh,
The two rows got deleted, right?
yeah. How about the columns?
Next,
For two columns also, like in you we will use, sir.
not for
If
two
any
columns. Two columns,
Okay.
we can't delete a column here. See,
because
if
it's a
I want to delete only ENT, I can't do it. It's not
Okay.
possible.
okay. Okay. And any phone number of that will be update, right? If I want to change, yeah, got it.
Update we can do.
Yeah. Got it. Basically, we cannot do for the column, right?
Yeah, we can't delete for a column.
Yeah.
So again, I have to insert. So I'll just go back to here.
Insert it.
Yeah, location I have given, right? For just select command, I'm writing this again. So I have 4 columns, right? 2, 4, 2, 6, 2, 8, 2, 9.
Yeah.
Now select star. Star means what? All these columns.
All.
If I want to select only doctor ID and the doctor name, that is also possible. So the star indicates the column, so you can replace the star with the column names.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm.
And if I want to select star from doctor, particular record, where doctor underscore ID will be 1024. So you got particular record, right?
Yeah.
In clause we can use again. See, in is same. everywhere. So here 1024, 1028. We got it different, right?
Yeah.
And even though this we can do it with the particular columns also, like where doctor underscore ID equals to 1024, right? So for only two columns it will work out. And then again in clause we can use 1024 and 1026. Dinesh and Bob came, right? So totally 6 times we have written
Mm.
for all columns. Select. Then for particular columns, all rows. Next, all columns, particular row. Next, all columns,
Multiple.
multiple rows. Then again, what you can say, particular columns, particular row,
One.
and particular columns, multiple rows, right? So this is a select command we have seen. Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Next. So you can practice all this DDL and DML commands, and I'll send the MySQL 5 version text
Mhm.
mail IDs in the group. Okay.
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 Yeah. And